Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. Here is your 2-minute tip or less tip of the day. All right, let's talk about add-ons for your bikes. This is the Honda CRF 250L. It's just one of my bikes. I have 3 of them at the moment. I also have dirt bikes too. The one that we're going to talk about today, kabooey, right here, ram mounts, man. Ram mounts are awesome. They have these, you can get them in all different types of flavors. They can extend high, they can extend low. This right here has to be an X mount. They're about 40, 50 bucks. Sometimes you can get them on sale on eBay or something like that. They're awesome. You basically put them on your handlebar. You can basically get suction cups. You can mount them to your windscreen. You can hook them up onto the side. This is the suction cup. This is what I was just talking about. You can take this guy, you can mount it anywhere that you have an area that you can actually lock it down to and then suck the air out of it. It works great. Also, we put a little homemade carabiner on there. Now, this right here allows you to put your cell phone on here. So when you're riding, you can check your texts. You can make phone calls, all that type of stuff. Ram mounts are awesome. Here's a few of just some of the accessories. God, they have hundreds of them. You just have to dig in yourself, do your own research, and figure out exactly what you want. This right here is nice because you can mount that on to, say, a box or onto, heck, you can even screw it onto the side of your bike if you're okay with doing that. The other thing is, this is ram mount. I custom made this myself. I basically put a GoPro hook on there so I can take this, lock it up on there, biff bam boom. Now I can slide a GoPro on and off if I want to. They come in all different heights and lengths. This unscrews, drops onto the ball, tighten it up, make any arrangement that you want. You can make it move any direction that you want. Anyway, ram mounts, awesome. Look into those guys. They're awesome because you're going to be able to go and add a bunch of different stuff to your bike, and it's going to be awesome because you can put them all the way around your bike. You can mount them up underneath, on the sides, anywhere you want. Anyway, Joe, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. That is your 2-minute tip of the day.